Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I welcome you in AppSec's online support program for class 1.
Today the chapter is numbers to 20 and the topic is comparing numbers. In this lesson, student will be able to compare numbers. They also learn concept of greater or larger number, more or fewer, and as many as terms.
A thought for today. Speak in such a way that others love to listen to you, and listen in such a way that others love to speak to you. Today's objective is student will be able to compare number easily, and the success criteria is compare the numbers by using greater than or less than, more or less, or as many. Before going to the topic, let's do some mental maths. I have 10 bananas. I ate 3 of them. How many are left? Count on your fingers. And the answer is 7. Yes, 7 bananas are left. Now come to the second question. Sally has 5 cakes. She makes 2 more. How many does she have now? 5 plus 2? Yes, the answer is 7. Draw the next shape in the sequence, and the sequence is triangle, square, triangle, square, triangle, square. What will come next? Yes, a triangle. Number 4. Which number comes before 18? Yes, it is number 17. Well done. Today our topic is comparing numbers. Let's learn comparing. Comparing numbers. Let's see what is comparing numbers. When we put two numbers side by side to see which is smaller or larger, it means that we are comparing numbers. When we compare two numbers or things, the first number or thing can be either larger, smaller, or equal to the second number or thing. For example, at 8 is greater than 3, or you can say 3 is smaller than 8. In comparing numbers, we use different terms. Some basic terms which are used are number 1, greater than or less than, number 2, more or fewer, number 3, more than or less than, and number 4 is as many as. Let's learn one by one all of them. Let's see where we can use greater than or less than. When we compare two numbers, for example, in this picture there are two numbers 12 and 6. Compare numbers 12 and 6. Which number is greater? Yes, 12. 12 is greater than 6. Or you can say 6 is smaller than 12. So, this is how we use greater than and smaller than. Isn't it easy? Now let's learn the concept of less than and more than. How many apples are there? Count them. 1, 2, 3. There are 3 apples. And how many strawberries are there? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 3 apples and there are 6 strawberries. 6 is more than 3 and 3 is less than 6. Smaller number is less than bigger number, or you can say bigger number is more than smaller number. That's all about this. Now more and fewer concept. Which set has fewer items? Set A has some monkeys. Let's count the monkeys. How many monkeys are there? 1, 2, 3. There are 3 monkeys. And set B has some bananas. How many bananas are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Set B has 5 bananas. Which set has fewer items? Fewer means less. Which set has fewer or less items? Can you guess it? Yes, set A. Set A has fewer items. It has only 3 monkeys. And set B has 5 bananas. Very good. Now this is the last concept, as many. How many cats are there? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 cats. And there are some fishes. Let's count them. How many fishes are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 fishes. There are 4 cats and there are 4 fishes. There are as many cats as fishes. It means they both are equal. The number of cats are same as the number of fishes. Let's do a quick recap of our topic. Today we have learned to compare numbers by using different terms such as greater or smaller than, more or less than, more or fewer, and as many. Okay, this is your home assignment. Do it in your notebook. Number 1. Which number is smaller, 15 or 19? You have to tell which number is smaller. Number 2. Compare numbers 17, 10 and 19 and answer these 2 parts. Which is the greatest number among these 17, 10 and 19, and which is the smallest number? There is another. Home assignment. Are there more ice creams or lollipops? Count them and give the answer. Let's see where we can use greater than or less than. When